This is what happens when you buy a Fiskher. Remember, they're not hybrid. They're have a little old Pontiac 2.5 engine. Don't know if it's a turbo gasket or intake valve seals. But basically when it starts, this is the exhaust. This is where the exhaust, when you start up your Fiskher in the morning, even though you can't see the exhaust, when you have your windows open on the driver's side, it literally rolls around and comes inside and pukes you out. But you just can't see it, but you could smell the, and because it's not mandated like the EPA with the emission controls that has to pass, because that's not the drive engine, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So basically you got a Briggs and Stratton thing spewing out carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons.
Actually, they have to pass smog.
Yeah, they got to pass smog, but their levels are higher, correct? Because
nobody measures levels anymore. It's just computers.
Yeah, they don't even, yeah. Basically these get the pass because levels aren't measured anymore. Yeah. And nobody takes levels when the engine's cold. They always heat it up. They don't get to see this.
Well, this is just
this is
issue.
Yeah, this is an issue.
This car has
but see how it goes inside here? So when you're in your garage, you don't see this, but basically you get puked out and you choke out in here like you're in Auschwitz. And that's how Fiskher start up every morning when they're cold, except for the smoke. There's no smoke. But basically you're getting to see airflow move around that you would normally not see. So this exact same amount of volume of air is coming out of this vehicle every morning when you start it up, but now we get to see a little smoke with it. But it would be an invisible gas inside your garage that you're inhaling that you don't get to see. That's an extreme example. All right, see you guys later.